I'll take the grinder and ground it a little bit this off so I can get that out of there, but most of this I'm going to leave right on there like that. On this other part, I have to grind it. You can see under here I did some. I have to grind it good because that's where the forks are going to slide through, so I can't let it stick ahead. So I welded on both the front and the back of that one, and I got to grind that one some more to get it to be level so that the forks can slide past. The worst one is this one right here. I'm going to have to get a jack and a chain and push it all back together because it's bent so bad.
Yikes.
Fun.